I think more on the innovation side, though, we're seeing, I think, a lot of customers that want to do, again, keeping in mind series production, really taking a look at things like electronics applications or other areas within, and that could be consumer or automotive electronics, consumer-based applications, whether it be in oil and gas, furniture. So it's quite a gamut where people are definitely taking a closer look at some of these technologies to be able to, and the material development is obviously a big side of it, right? Where getting the right materials, more advanced materials with the right technology gives them a lot of capability. There is definitely the continued strong push for developing new chemistries. And again, that could be across the board with the photopolymers as well as on the solid side. And again, though, as I mentioned at the beginning in my intro, really the core to that, though, is application driven. So as you see more and more, I call it advanced applications, or again, applications that are being sought after for low volume production or production scenarios, that's where the demand for more functional materials is greater, right? So with higher mechanical properties, higher thermal performance, et cetera. So it's definitely, again, application driven, but yeah, there's definitely a continued push to develop